Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and find travel tips on Kayak? This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. First things first, simply go ahead and open any browser that you prefer using and simply go ahead and search for kayak.com. Make sure that you're logged in into your account. And now all you need to do is on the top left hand side, there's going to be this triple lines icon right beside Kayak. Now simply go ahead and click on that, and down over here, if you look below flight tracker, there is going to be a button that says travel tips. Simply go ahead and tap on that, and now as you can see, this is where you can simply go ahead and understand how you can do it. So as you can see, you can read more. So how to navigate tipping while traveling, happiness is on sale, the biggest price drop to the world's happiest, what to expect for 2025 travel, about searching pins, try this, and many more. You could just go ahead and read all these in order to go ahead and get ahead. So I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next one.